Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring the VPN extension is installed and up to date. This avoids compatibility issues. Open the browser and pin the extension so you can find it quickly in Incognito later. Once done, open the extension settings and locate the option labeled Allow in Incognito or similar. Enable it. If the option is hidden, open the Browser Extension Manager and enter the Extension Details page to toggle permission. These steps grant the extension permission to run when you open an incognito window. You now open an incognito or private window using the menu or Control plus Shift plus N. Do not attempt private mode before granting permission. Next, click the pinned VPN icon in the toolbar inside Incognito. Sign in if the service requires reauthentication. Choose a server location that fits your needs and click Connect. Make sure the extension displays an active indicator, green, connected, or similar, so the browser traffic will route through the VPN while in private mode. If needed, refresh tabs after connecting. You finish by verifying that the VPN is actually protecting incognito traffic. Visit an IP check site and confirm your displayed IP and DNS differ from your real network. If something goes wrong, disable conflicting extensions and restart the browser. This often resolves permission or proxy conflicts. Make sure the browser and the VPN extension are updated and that Allow in Incognito is still enabled. If problems persist after these steps, gather error messages and reach out to the VPN provider for targeted troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.